If Photoshop is throwing error 72, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually means the installer failed because required files could not be created or extracted, and that can happen because of a permission issue, a disk space problem, a locked file, or even corrupted temporary files. The good news is that, in most cases, you can fix it pretty quickly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's start with the fastest method first. Go ahead and restart your PC. A simple restart can clear locked files, stop background conflicts, and give the installer a clean start. After your computer comes back on, find the Photoshop installer, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to create and extract the files properly. If the issue was just a permission problem, this alone may solve it. If Photoshop error 72 still appears, the next step is to close all Adobe-related processes. This is important because sometimes another Adobe app or background service is holding the installer files open. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Then look through the list of running processes and end anything related to Adobe. You should specifically look for Creative Cloud, Adobe Installer, ccxprocess, and Adobe PC Broker. Select each one and click End Task. Once all of those are closed, try running the installer again as administrator. This step is very effective because it removes file lock conflicts that can stop the installer from working. Now let's move on to one of the most effective fixes, clearing your temp files. Temporary files can become corrupted, and when that happens, the Photoshop installer may fail during extraction. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box, then type %temp% and press Enter. This opens your temporary files folder. Now select everything inside that folder and delete it. If some files won't delete because they're in use, skip those and delete the rest. Clearing this folder can free up space, remove broken cache files, and fix extraction problems that cause error 72. After that, it's also a good idea to make sure your PC has enough free storage space. If your disk is almost full, Photoshop may not be able to unpack all the required installation files. Check your drive space and, if needed, delete unused files or move large items to another drive. Also make sure the installer is saved to a simple local path, not a cloud-synced folder or a deeply nested directory, because path issues can sometimes trigger install errors too. If you've gone through all of these steps and the error still continues, try downloading a fresh copy of the installer from Adobe. A damaged installer file can also cause extraction failure. Using a newly downloaded version ensures you're not trying to install from a corrupted setup file. So to recap, the main fixes for Photoshop error 72 are restarting your computer and running the installer as administrator, closing Adobe background processes, and clearing your temp folder. In most cases, one of those steps will get Photoshop installing normally again. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick fixes for Adobe errors and software problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.